What's up guys, and welcome to the 6th lesson of these terminal videos. And in this tutorial it's all about using the nano command to make a text file and document file or whatever. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. Okay, cd desktop semicolon ls-l. You know what all of that is because of the previous videos. If you don't, go back, rewatch, then come back to this, and then use touch again to make file.docx. Let's now go to the desktop. And there we have two files we made using our terminal. We can remove these files if we wanted to, and we can also open the files. Opening the files will be in the near future. If you want to remove these files, it's rm file.txt file.docx. These files are now gone out of the computer site. That's it for this tutorial. I'll show you how to make a file, text file, docx file, and then remove them both. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.